KYT NFA Megalodon. This is a medium size. So far KYT released only medium and large. This is a limited edition, so hopefully they can release some XL soon, XXL, because I know there's a lot of demand for that. So far only medium and large. Nice, no? I really like the design and the color choice also. It's pretty nice. So NFA, of course, you have the double visor. You have the vent in the front. You have the vent on the top. I really like the detail on it. The way it's painted, you know, it's really nice. NFA, all the time is 1,500 grams for each NFA, so it's very lightweight. Philippines flag, special edition Philippines. I'm not sure how many and how long it's gonna last. So it's really a special edition. See the detail? Very nice. So yeah, and if this one SRP is 7,000 pesos. Very nice. I actually was thinking of getting one myself, but I have another helmet for myself, so that's why I don't buy this one. But it looks good and it feels great, and if always good quality inside. Same KYT pad. The lock is always like that, very safe. The newest from KYT. Apart from KYT helmet, we also have Titico's dark visor, Vendetta dark visor. We also have motul gear oil for scooter, motul scooter oil, 3000 plus 10W40, and the 5100. We have Repro anti-fogs, funnel and chain brush available, so you just have to check in a link in the description for Eclo by Manila on Facebook and just send us a message.